Here on example 6, we're still going to be multiplying complex numbers in trig form, and so we have to use our formula. So if you take a z sub 1 times z sub 1, that means you have to use your formula. Or sorry, z sub 1 times z sub 2. What we're going to do is we're going to multiply our coefficients 3 times 4. And then on the inside of our brackets, we have the cosine. And here you are adding your thetas. So we're going to have a pi over 3 plus pi over 6 plus I sine of pi over 3 plus pi over 6. So that means on the outside that's going to give us a 12. And on the inside, cosine of, well, a pi over 3 plus a pi over 6. Pi over 3 becomes a 2 pi over 6 since we have to add these together. Plus pi over 6 plus a 1 pi over 6. Then we have the same thing over here with our sines. So 2 pi over 6 plus a 1 pi over 6. And that will give us a 3 pi over 6, which is a pi over 2. And we actually know what the cosine value is at pi over 2. And we know what the sine value is at pi over 2. So that means if your cosine at pi over 2 is 0, you have a 12 times a 0. And if your sine value at pi over 2 is a positive 1, then you're going to take 12 times 1. So 12 times 0 is just 0. So it's really not even there. And then 12 times the 1i means your final answer ends up becoming a 12i. So that's how you want to simplify or how you multiply two complex numbers in trig form. Simplify down by using your values around your circle, and then you get it simplified into something nice and pretty as just a 12i. You do not have to write that as a 0 plus 12i.